Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will take a look at business expenses that are incurred for intangibles. Intangibles are assets that have no physical form but are valuable to the business and may incur costs for the business. Section 197 intangibles are specific intangibles that are acquired in connection with purchasing a business or in an activity engaged in the production of income. Expenses for Section 197 intangibles would include the following: goodwill expenses, costs to put a workforce in place, supplier-based intangibles, customer-based intangibles, franchise, trademark, or trade name fees, or cost of a license, permit, or other right granted by a government agency. The following are examples of assets that are specifically not Section 197 intangibles: any interest in a corporation, partnership, trust, or estate, any interest in land, expenses for most computer software, and certain transaction costs incurred by parties to a corporate organization. For a full list of Section 197 intangibles, please refer to IRS Publication 535, Chapter 8.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.